Hello, welcome to your valuable knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about how to host a scheduled meeting. So if your upcoming meeting is today and right now, then it will be shown here. Here the meeting name and the start button will be there. But as of now, no upcoming meetings are today, so there is no any meeting display here. Anyway, in the upper banner, you will see home, chat, meeting and contact. On the meeting, click. You will find all the meeting, schedule meeting, and you can start right here also. So just click to it and start a meeting. And please don't forget your meeting should be always start at a time that schedule. This is for demonstration only, as is forcibly starting the meeting. So it will pop up a Zoom meeting like this. The topic of the meeting is this, and the host is Tom Debbie, password is something like this, and the URL is this. You can copy directly if you want, send directly to someone else at the time of the meeting. Join audio are there, computer audio connected, right? And the share screen are there. This is the dashboard of the Zoom meeting. After that, you have audio sections inside this. If you so many options you can set as per your requirement. My microphone system, same as a system, and speaker headphone, same as system. Anything you can set. If you want to test your microphone, you can click here and test. It will be something given sound like this. Okay, fine. So it's then after this, switch to phone audio. You can set this and leave computer audio. Sorry. So audio setting are this. You have lots like this. Volume, if you want to increase the volume like this, you can increase. And the test mic, same as system, volume is here. There are so many options. Options are there. You can set accordingly. So I won't go in depth as of now. And after that, in the start video, if you want to show your face or start your video, you can directly click on it. Or if you check here, you can check. You will have so many options related to the video. You can have video setting like this. After that, set security are there, and please do this old setting before prior to your meeting, at least 20 minutes ahead. Okay, and you can set yours at this inside the security. There is a log meeting, enable waiting room, and they allow participant to, if you want to allow the participant to share the screen, you can check this. Like if you don't want, uncheck it. Then if you want a participant to chat with you, you can check like this. Rename themselves. I think this is good if you uncheck it, because otherwise if they can also rename their name. After that, manage participant. Inside this you will see all the participant, and list of the participant will be there. And if there is a 20-30 people, then all the participant will be listed here. And you can mute all at a time. Okay, or at a time, if allow participant to unmute themselves, you can check this, but it is better to not to allow them, so uncheck it and this set as yes and mute all. And if you want to unmute for a particular user, then just hover on that particular participant name, then the unmute or mute or unmute accordingly as you know. Accordingly you can do it. After that, you can also invite here by using contact name or the email ID like this, or you can directly copy the link here is a link. You can just copy and it paste to the particular. This invite can also be done from here too. Yeah, these are the options that available. Then in the chat section, let me hide this participant. In the chat section um, you can chat to the person like hi. If you want to paste a particular link in between the meeting, you can send a link like this. And if you want to attach a file, you can click to the file. Right, these are the options available. Okay, after that, after let me close this chat. After that, the next functionality is share your screen, and this is most important because if you are on a host, you must be sharing your screen so that all your presentation can be seen by the participant, right? And there is a whiteboard in this other open document that I am right now opening. You can particularly open a particular document, or you can just click to see screen, and then wherever you are working with, the screen will be opened, right? And if you want to stop screen, then click to the stop screen. Right, these are the things that inside the screen share screen. Also there is options one participant can share at a time. These are the settings that you must set before prior to your meeting. Then the multiple participant can also share simultaneously. There is an advanced share option, one participant at a time, and who can share only host or all participants, set according to your meeting requirement. Okay, then if you want to record after sharing your screen, if you want to record, then you can record. Let me tag whiteboard as sharing my screen. So I want to type something like our session is about to start, right? So after that, this is series screen, and I can go to the more and record the session like this. Click to it, and it will the record will be started, right? And there will be a dot inside the dot red icon, which is indicating that the session is under recording. Right, this is how you can do all your stuff. Okay, fine. Stop sharing, and if you want to stop the recording, you can stop from there also and from here also. And there will be a pop-up message like the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. Means when all your meeting is end, only then the conversion will be started of the recorded things, right? So that's how you have to host your Zoom meeting, and this is very simple, and all you have to know is to practice and do it. Then the more you do it, the more it will be easy for you. Thank you very much. I hope this video found you very useful. Do subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.